Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to use WPS. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Wi-Fi Protected Setup. WPS is a shortcut for connecting devices to your Wi-Fi without typing the password. It works by pressing a physical button on the router or entering an 8-digit PIN. While convenient, WPS is vulnerable to brute force attacks, meaning hackers can guess the PIN and gain access to your network. For security reasons, most experts recommend disabling WPS unless you absolutely need it. If you must use it, prefer the push-button method instead of the PIN, as it's slightly safer. Make sure WPS is enabled and configured in your router admin panel. Locate the WPS button on your router. It's usually labeled WPS or shown with a symbol of two curved arrows. Some routers may have WPS options in the admin panel instead of a physical button. Enable WPS mode on the router. Press the WPS button once. The router's WPS light should start blinking, meaning it's ready to connect. Activate WPS on your device, on your phone, laptop, or smart device, for example smart TV. Go to Wi-Fi settings. Select your Wi-Fi network. If you configured WPS to use push button, it will connect without a password or PIN. If went with the PIN code option, you will need to enter the PIN code also depending on device support. Automatic connection. The device will connect to the Wi-Fi network without requiring you to type the password. Once connected, the router's WPS light usually turns solid. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.